Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are underway. 40% concession is there for you because the JK boss finally realized it that students were not in schools physically because of COVID-19 pandemic and concession is due for them. So concession has been given to you 40% and you need to attempt only 60%. If your gain is 60% out of 60, that would be proportionally raised 100 to 100 and you will get 100 out of 100. And when you are attempting 60 and whatever your gain would be, if it's 45, 52, 57, 35, that would be proportionally raised to 100. So you need not to go beyond the 60% marks. Dear students, no doubt you were badly hit by this pandemic. Schools remained shut, and finally the government managed the digital platform for you, some community classes by which you are facilitated to greater extent and you are able to sit in the examinations that are underway. But dear students, after the culmination of exams, you must learn the rest of your syllabus so that you can be able to sit in the exams that are competitive exams where you have to compete with the different students in order to find a seat. Dear students, today we are dealing with the basic English grammar. Dear students, many persons or we can say many people raise a question that English grammar is not necessary. It is not necessary in spoken form, or we can say when we are communicating the things. Dear students, whether it is the communication when we are communicating or whether it is the written form, whether it is the spoken form, it is a written form, you need to have grip over the English grammar so that you can speak as well as write English grammatically sound. So when you are communicating things, when you are speaking English, you should speak it grammatically sound. That is the civilized way of speaking English and civilized way of talking. Dear students, so the grammar is necessary, but the basic grammar is necessary. What is the basic grammar? Dear students, often you see a short para of 2 to 3 sentences or 4 to 5 sentences where you have to analyze, where you have to find what word is used there and what is the grammatical nature of that very word. For example, I am giving a short para of 2 to 3 sentences where you can find easily what is the grammatical nature of different sentences so that in the end you will learn these things. I went to bazaar, that's market. I met there many people. I bought a school bag and some books for my children. I went to bazaar. I is grammatically what pronoun. Went to is what? Second form of the verb, so it is verb. Market or bazaar is the name of place, so it is noun. Pronoun, verb, and noun. I met there many people. I, pronoun once again, met, second form of meet, it is verb. Many means quantity, so it is adjective. It qualifies people, it restricts the application of people, and people is simply name, it is noun. I bought. I, once again, it is what? It is pronoun because it is used instead of me. Bought is the second form of buy. So it is what? Grammatically verb. Some, that is also a some, here is quantity. So some books means it restricts the application of books. It is adjective. And books is what? Now, for my children. For my children. For is what? It is preposition. It is preposition. That means it is used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relationship between a noun and pronoun. For my children, my is used instead of me. My is used instead of me, so it is grammatically what? Pronoun. But it is which pronoun? My children, they are my possession, so it is the possessive pronoun. Your book, my book, his book, this possession. So it's possessive pronoun. Children is just name. So it is the noun. So grammatically you need to analyze a short para or 3 to 4 sentence and find out the grammatical nature of each word and also recognize the tense in which these sentences are written. This is the basic English. Example, once again I am repeating the things. I went to market. Went is the second form of verb. When there is the second form of verb, it is past simple, simple past, and past indefinite. In past simple, we narrate a past story or a past event. So I went to market is past simple. I bought some books. I bought. Bought is the second form of verb. When there is the second form of verb, it is past simple. Some books for my children. So it is grammatically past simple. So you can recognize tense by this by analyzing a particular paragraph or a short paragraph or 3 to 4 sentences used in a paragraph. You can analyze it fully by finding the grammatical nature of the words and also the tense in which these sentences or a short para is written. So you have to keep in the mind whether it is a spoken English or it is the written English. Spoken English means where we speak English and communicate things. And written English also is a communication, but we have to write down there. We can't use our sense organs there. Sorry, we use sense organs there. We can't use our speaking manner there. But dear students, this is what we need to analyze a particular paragraph grammatically so that we can find the grammatical nature of different words by which we can learn things for both the written English as well as the spoken English. So you must have a focus on the basic English grammar. Dear students, this is enough for today. If any sort of confusion strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me. I would be round the clock available for you for responding your call. So the loss that you met with might be compensated to the some extent by these virtual platform. Thanks. Be blessed.